Hey there, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm working on a December album and I'll take you through the process of creating a page. I'm using papers from Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So this is another page. I've already made several process videos, and this one has a little cluster, so it's based on a pocket. And I cut out the pocket and the pattern paper with my silhouette, because it has a little more of a intricate bracketed shape, and I know I couldn't do that by hand very well. So, but before I glue it down, I actually use a stapler to staple it, to staple the elements that cluster to the pocket, because if I glue down the paper first and then staple it, then the staple will go through the cardstock, and whatever I tuck in there would interfere with the staple and always get stuck there, or just maybe even bent in the wrong places and stuff. So I just didn't want that to happen. So whenever I staple, I don't staple directly onto the cardstock, that is the background cardstock, but I staple onto patterned papers. And then those papers I put down on the cardstock. Now, you see, I don't have a full-size 6x6 paper for the background, because I figure that behind the pocket, it doesn't need paper because it's never going to be seen. That pocket closes and it's not for flipping open, so just whatever is behind, I can save that paper for other things. And then this becomes a tuck space, and there is a cut file from the Silhouette store that is just a little transparency thing there. And then I'm on to the second page of the spread, and this one gets a flap where I put papers, pattern papers, and I still have to decide. It is directional, there's writing on the paper, so I have to be careful with how I put this down. And these are die cuts from Stampin' Up. They are the Christmas, a Christmas to Remember dies, I think, or Christmas pines or something. So, or yeah, one of these. And so I'll link you up, or I'll put the direct name in the description box below. But these are Stampin' Up stamps and die cut sets that I just die cut with 2 different shades of brown, and then I put those on that flap there before I then adhere the flap to the background page. And I always put the flap first, because it has the little strip where I put the adhesive, and I don't want that to be on top of the pattern paper. I put the whatever flaps and pockets first, and then I put the pattern paper down on top of whatever that glue strip is, so it doesn't show. And so here I'm still arranging that little cluster there, and it goes well with the background paper. And here I'm ready to work on this. This is also a stamp from the same collection, that same bundle by Stampin' Up. I think this is a Christmas or a December to Remember. And again, I'm using my staple, and I'm stapling directly onto the patterned paper, but not through the cardstock that is the background page. So these are 6x6 page sizes, and the album itself is slightly bigger, so that there's that little edge around each of the pattern papers. So you see, again, I'm putting down that flap first, so that glue strip can be hidden behind the patterned paper. And then I'm ready, and you see I ran my sewing machine all around the edge there, and I'm gluing that down now onto the background page. And this is an album that always has several pages. It's like a page spread of 2 pages, so that's why you see the other pages already from the next page that I need to be working on. So, but this is this page, and I hope you enjoyed it. Smash the thumbs up button if you liked it, and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye.